What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. My name is Will. This is my wife, Riza.
Hello.
Today's video is going to be a challenge. We've got a Honda, a 2005 Honda that I drive back and forth to work that is finally in need of some rear brakes. So my wife thinks that she can handle it, changing the back brakes on the car. So stay tuned and see if the Filipina knows what she's doing. All right, guys, we are here at the old garage. We're going to move out the classic truck that my friend's been working on. What is this thing? This is a Silverado 10. I can never remember what this truck is, what it's called. But
1986.
it's a 1986 Silverado 10. He's been working on it for a couple of years now. Got it pretty much restored, about done with it. Keeps it here in the garage, and hopefully it'll start. It hadn't been cranked in probably a couple of months, and we're going to get it moved out, get the car in, because I thought it'd be easier for the Filipina if she if she worked on the concrete, not the rocks. Anyway, let's get the truck moved. Jack weighs more than she does. took the cap off the master cylinder to help release some of the pressure on that caliper.
But you need to remember to...
Yeah, don't forget to put your cap back on.
Yeah.
We had to...
But you need to remember to open this while we're working with the caliper.
Guys, we had to do a little bit of changing around and got a little dirtier than what we wanted to get. Didn't do a lot of filming that we wanted to film, but I hope you can get the gist of it. She was able to get the brakes off, get them back on. We had a little trouble with the calipers, but we figured it out. So, hope you enjoyed watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
But make sure you have the right tools.
Oh yeah,
And technique.
that's always a plus. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.